Students, I hope so you all are healthy and fine. Today we are going to do past continuous tense. Past continuous tense form is to be, was, were plus ing. In this we describe a past action that has not been completed yet. That is, it from the past it is still in the present but it is not completed. पूरा नहीं हुआ है. It's still going on. For example, I was trying to fix the car this morning, but I am not done with the repairs yet. So over here what we are trying to say is that he has fixed the car but still he has not repaired it. So the past action is still going on. So was trying. So over here ing is been used and was. Then second example is at 11 pm I was still working on my homework. So at 11 pm, that was in the night, he was working on his homework which is not yet completed. This is the first use of past continuous. Then the second is describing a past action that was interrupted by another action, which I have explained you before also, that the radio station was broadcasting music when the music was interrupted by an important announcement. So one action is going on, that is the radio station was broadcasting music, but then how it was been interrupted? By important announcement. So what it is? The past action is interrupted by another action. I was trying to sleep when I heard a knock at my door. So this is his first action, past action, where he is sleeping. Then the second action is interrupted when he heard a knock at his door. So this is the second use of the past continuous. Then the third is when describing two past events that took place at the same time. Two events एक साथ हो रही हैं. So like Marco Polo contacted Chinese merchants and leaders while he was traveling the world. So he is traveling also and getting contact with the Chinese merchants also. She burned herself while she was cooking dinner. Over here also, she burnt herself means हाथ जल गया. क्यों जला? Cooking dinner. So these are the two things which are happening together. किस वजह से हाथ जला है? डिनर कुक करने की वजह से. That is the thing. Then we come to the use for describing a past action that took place in a specific time period and may have continued afterward. एक टाइम पे स्टार्ट हुआ जो आगे भी कंटिन्यूड हो रहा है. लाइक द साइंस टीम वॉज कंडक्टिंग रिसर्च एज रिसेंटली एज लास्ट मंथ. मतलब लास्ट मंथ से वो रिसर्च कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं. देन मैनी स्टूडेंट्स वर फीलिंग डिप्रेस्ड in February. So over here also February time hai and they are feeling depressed. So the both things are going on. Then students, we come to the three forms of past continuous, that is affirmative, negative and interrogative. Affirmative is the simple past continuous where I was playing. What will be the negative form? I was not playing or I wasn't playing. And interrogative will be was I playing with a question mark. You were playing. You weren't playing. Or you were not playing. Were you playing? He was playing. He wasn't playing. Was he playing? She was playing. She wasn't playing. Was she playing? It was playing. It wasn't playing. Was it playing? So these are the types of sentences using affirmative, negative and interrogative. I hope so you have understood, and the rest we will discuss in a Zoom class. Thank you, students.